Elizabeth with Country Peony, and with fall right around the corner, I am constantly thinking of new ways to decorate my home. Well, this year, I thought it would be really fun to try a new to me technique called paint pour to decorate my pumpkins. And I will warn you, this is incredibly simple, but it's also incredibly addicting and fun. It is almost magical as you watch the paint kind of pour into one another to create these beautiful designs. It's almost foolproof. So if you want to see the very simple way to decorate your pumpkins this fall using paint pour, then come along. So much for following along today, guys. I hope you feel inspired to start looking at different ways to paint your pumpkins. If you want to see more simple DIYs and tutorials, please check out my blog, countrypeony.com, or feel free to follow me on Facebook or Instagram at The Country Peony. I'd love to have you. Until next time, happy crafting.